Just got came across a couple of dolphins on the ICW at St. Joseph Sound. John thinks they're mating. I don't know. They're playing around here, right next to the boat. They're back off the stern now. Oh, stay there, buddy.
Oh, he's on his belly. Look, his belly's up.
I don't know. This is the mating season. I don't know.
Come on, give her a good goose. I want to see it come out of the water.
Ooh. Oh, we're on video. We're on video. Okay, 1 second.